apparently the grand jury felt the same way that I felt, because we've learned that Courtney Burgess has been summoned back to testify again next week. So it's a good time to bring in Arielle Mitchell, Courtney Burgess's attorney. So talk to me a little bit about Diddy's team's reaction, because man, did they ever, they went to town in those legal filings, and I could see like you and me talking throughout the filings. They didn't like it.
They were pretty pissed off, to say the least, very upset. And I would assume you'd be upset when you know the truth is coming out and the truth is continuing to come out, and somebody like Mr. Burgess is delivering that truth. Mr. Burgess actually told me that he believed that the purpose of that gag order letter that was written by Mark Agnifilo on November 3rd was because Diddy knew that it was Courtney who was bringing this information and said, well, he finally got me where he wants me. So we truly believe that not only Mark Agnifilo, but also Sean Combs is very much so aware that the things that Courtney has talked about and said he witnessed, and the things that were on the flash drives, including the book, as well as the other videos, were definitely of real events and things that had happened. And that is the last thing that Mr. Combs would like out about him, is these factual allegations of things that he has done and that he knows he's done.
I should make note that the book is purported to be Kim Porter's manuscript turned into a book that apparently is on these flash drives. So big question, your client, Courtney Burgess, has been asked to come back on November 12th before the grand jury again. I know he told us it was not a good experience the first time. He felt like they were making him into a criminal. He said he just wanted to help the victims. Why does he have to go back?
Well, we have to finalize the testimony. So I do believe we may be able to waive our appearance in that, where Mr. Burgess might not actually physically have to come back, but there was a rider attached to the subpoena that requested certain documents and videos and evidence that Mr. Burgess had talked about in his interviews prior to the grand jury subpoena, and part of what he was supposed to bring. So they just need to bring that to completion, and that's the purpose for us possibly having to testify further.
Makes sense. So mark your calendar and come on back on the program and let us know what happens next. Arielle Mitchell, I always love having you on. Thank you for this. Appreciate it.